June is National Safety Awareness Month, and we're going to review our protocols here at WinChoice Manufacturing. My name is Cammie Keefe. I am the safety manager at WinChoice Manufacturing. My experience was I retired from UPS with 15 years of safety, and at that time I came to work here at the plant, and we set up a comprehensive health and safety plan for WinChoice Manufacturing. All of our employees receive an initial training for PPE and lockout affected. The PPE is the personal protective equipment, and it's job specific for each job. Everybody is required to wear safety glasses and a sturdy work shoe, but on some of our jobs it's a lot more in depth, as into they have to have glass cutting sleeves because they are exposed at a much higher rate. Our lockout affected, none of our employees are allowed to lock out equipment or put their hands in equipment to clean it. So that is what they're trained on initially and also annually. We have a safety data sheet folder that includes all of our products that are used in the facility, and it's available for any employee to view at any time. If you're exposed to a specific chemical, you can just go to the safety data sheet and all the information is right there. Injury investigation is in depth. So we have a folder with that, and we start with photos of the injury location. And then we determine if medical assistance is needed, and that is first and foremost. And then after we determine that, we define the root causes. We also interview each employee that was injured and any witnesses that were there. We find the root causes, and those are addressed then with the employee and with the entire work group. We conduct monthly facility condition reports. Myself and another employee go throughout the entire facility and do an in-depth investigation of all the facility conditions at that time. So that's when we determine what is going to need to be completed for the next month. After that, we have a monthly safety meeting where that is reviewed. With our monthly safety meetings, we also have all of our leads and employees involved in that, and we review any injuries, any past concerns, anything that's still on our concerns log, and the concerns log and safety minutes are then posted in the employee break room for 3 months. There's also a sheet there for any employee concern that they can add at any time, and it will be addressed at the next meeting. Every week we have Toolbox Tuesday, and that is directed by the leads. We try to make that a positive, fun a meeting where we focus on safety, and we try to do it with whatever is the most concern at the time. So we'll talk about egress, which is a ways or means to evacuate the building and having clear walk paths. We talk about heat stress and looking out for your fellow employees. Employee safety is number one, and if we can keep all of our employees safe, that means that they can come to work and our production doesn't have a deficit. And it's just very important to keep all of your employees safe and to look out for all of your new employees, and if you see anyone doing an at-risk behavior, you need to address it at that time. Okay, at WinChoice Manufacturing, I am so excited that today is our 1-year injury-free anniversary, and that is a huge accomplishment in a manufacturing environment. And so we will have a dedicated celebration for that with all of the employees, and just to let them know how much we appreciate them working safely.